As I had promised, I came back with a very important video. I want you guys to pay attention. This chart is gonna give us a lot of indicators that how every time BTC hits this green line, and even if it pulls back, that is the beginning of altcoin season. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention. We're gonna also cover a lot of things about the supports and resistance levels. We're gonna look at BTC dominance again. Is still BTC dominance is going down or just going sideways? Although BTC keeps dropping, that is a good sign for us to know that we are almost topping for BTC dominance. That means that altcoins are not being impacted negatively as Bitcoin drops. They are just going sideways. We are seeing some drops here and there, but they're not as aggressive as before. Okay, we're gonna also look at Ethereum BTC pair, Ethereum dominance chart. We're going to look at USDT dominance and how we have reached the resistance level that I have talked about before. We're going to also look at USDC dominance. Okay, so these are great stuff that is going to let us know that how we should get into altcoins now. Okay, but before we start, this channel is slowly growing. I need you guys to hit the like button and support the channel. That is the only way you can support, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so every time I post a video, you guys get notified. Also join the free Telegram group, okay? I got 55 likes for 650 views. That is almost close to 8-9%. Thank you so much. Can I get 70 likes for this video? I will really appreciate you guys. Also, make sure to watch the entire video, because in the middle of the video somewhere I am going to give you a really good altcoin category that you guys can pick a lot of good coins that on CoinMarketCap that they are going to have good future. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's start from 2016-2017 bull run. Okay, this line is a trend line that every time this green line where the arrows are, every time we hit it and we pass it, or it just even by hitting, this top one is the Bitcoin chart and the bottom one is total 3 chart. Okay, so total 3 is the chart that includes altcoin, but Ethereum and BTC is excluded. So this is the chart for that, and this is the BTC chart. Okay, we obviously have gone a little bit lower, but I am going to tell you that how similar we are right now to 2016-2017 bull run. Okay, so although in 2016 we had hit this green line and we went through, we passed above, we still pull back heavily for the percentage. I am not sure, I'm not going back to the chart to just show you guys, but you guys can clearly see that there was a really good pullback. And we started going up and up and up. And while everything was going up, I mean, BTC was going up, you guys see that altcoins rallied very significantly, okay? And the same thing around this arrow, we hit this green line in the last bull run, in 2020-21 bull run, we started going up for BTC, and we saw that a lot of altcoins started rallying too. Okay, so again, there is a really interesting part that once we go below this time significantly and not going back up anymore until the next bull run, you can see that we topped for altcoins. Basically, that was the highest point, right? Highest point for Bitcoin, highest point for BTC. But in the next bull run in 2021, previous bull run, you guys see that we almost topped the highest point before going back down below this green line. We had a huge pullback, but we still went higher, although we did not go above that green line again. Okay, so it's still, we are around this first part of the touch where this arrow is. And if you compare it to the previous bull markets, guys, it is totally matching with the BTC dominance that I have been showing you guys. We are at the lowest point of almost most of the cryptos, okay? A lot of the coins that you are wishing to buy, this is the best time to buy, okay? Most of the coins that, for example, I'm going to give you this coin as an example. Just a Chill Guy was one of the very popular coins that started just making a lot of noises, right? It went up to 60 cents and now it is on 3.5 cents. Okay, it is on 35 million market cap. And if you want to change it to market cap in coin market cap, it went all-time high of $621 million. That is huge. That is a huge discount for you guys. And these type of coins, they're not done yet, mostly. Okay, we have huge list of these coins for my members. So if you guys are interested, this is the best time to join the team, and you guys can find out about those coins that we are buying. Okay, this is just an example. I'm not telling you to buy this coin, but this is an example for you guys to show if we kept going higher for altcoins, this coin would have not gone down this much. The only reason that we see this the coin has gone down was because of BTC's drop, and BTC dominance kept going higher. So as long as BTC dominance was going higher, that meant that this and any altcoins could have pulled back, and that's why this coin started going down too. Okay, this is just a screenshot. I wish that I knew how to pull this up in somewhere. I don't know, but for now, this is the best indicator. So even if we just consider that we have the same huge pullback down to 79K that we are currently in, it went back up to $81,000 right now. But if we just consider and compare right now with 2016, 2017 chart, we are right now around the same level of the pullback, so you can get a lot of discount for a lot of altcoins. Okay, so I am expecting it's still going back up. Even for BTC, it's not over yet. Okay, yes, the pullback has been very strong, but we need to see this happening in every cycle because that's part of the manipulations. So you guys see that 25 bars, it took almost 175 days for altcoins to top. So even if we just consider that the first time we hit that level of the line, okay, we have already gone almost 3 months, 2 months. Okay, so 2 months is almost 60 days. Let's just say 90 days. We have at least another 2, 3, 4 months until we see the top for altcoins chart. Okay, that is matching exactly this bottom for altcoins. I still believe that altcoins are bottoming around this level of support. Okay, I'm going to change the color so you can see it more clear. Top of this level, I expect to consolidate for another 1 or 2 weeks and start going higher pretty soon. And we have another leg up, at least up to $1.4, $1.5 trillion, which currently we are around $782 billion. That would double the market cap for Total 3. And reminding you, Total 3 is all the altcoins except Ethereum and BTC. Okay, so I need you guys can just literally put all the puzzles together that tells you that you guys can, with confidence, get into market and get those cheaper altcoins. Not any altcoin is good to buy. The coins I am recommending, again, one more time, the coins that are already listed in a lot of exchanges, that means that those exchanges give them enough value. And if I just want to give you, why do you guys think that these coins are top coins? Because if you go to, for example, Solana, and if you go to markets, you can see a lot of big exchanges with higher volumes are being traded. That's why, because they can make commission money, because they are making fee money from you guys by trading in their exchanges. So any coin, even if they are in 2 million, 3 million, 5 million market caps, but they are in a lot of exchanges like KuCoin, Mexi, all of those, many of them together, you can get a lot of discounts and find the next Solana, next BNB, next AVAX. Okay, these are golden stuff. I'm telling you guys, do not just go and pick up random coins that they are only on Radium, or like they are just out but they do not have any trading volume and they're not in any centralized exchanges. okay, you have less chance of winning because there's a lot of competition in this market right now. If it was the last bull market or the market before that in 2017, we did not have as many coins out there. But right now, every day, thousands of coins are being created. So you guys need to make sure that you are getting good coins, you are buying good coins, okay? That's why I am not a fan of only getting your money in 5 or 6 baskets. That I am recommending, I'm suggesting that you look at least 30, 40, 50, even up to 100 coins, because let's say a coin has only 1 million market cap and it has a potential to go to 100 million. That is 100x. Only putting $50 into that coin can give you $5,000. That is 100x. Okay, how can you make that much money with only $50 in this real world, right? Other than making it from crypto. Okay, yeah, you can go to casino, but you're not gonna really have that much chance to turn $50 into $5,000. Back to the chart. So I am extremely confident for the small market, and even this shows us, even if we're not having that much time left for altcoins to rally, 2-3 months is the least time I'm looking at, up to beginning of May, late April. I am going to still update you guys what I'm doing. I might get partially out depending on where the BTC dominance is and where we are in this chart and any other charts that we have been looking at right now. That's when you need to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you guys follow me in this channel, guys, I'm gonna make sure that I help you guys, and this is for free, guys, okay? Even if you join the membership, it's only $10, okay? It is just a burger combo. It is just ridiculously low for the amount of knowledge I am delivering to my members, and even for free in public. But I'm putting this time, that's why I need your support, I need your likes, okay? So we is still having this opportunity of having the same amount of rally. We're having less and less rallies. Okay, you need to consider that as well. So this length from here to here is a lot shorter than here to here. So I'm not expecting a crazy amount of rally for this alt season. Okay, but I am at least expecting going up to $1.4 trillion for this bull market for the altcoins. USDC dominance, I have said that because USDT is not being traded in a lot of European exchanges. That's why we're going to look at USDC dominance too, along with USDT dominance. I used to cover USDT dominance only, but USDC is getting more attention and higher market cap, so we can trust this as well, okay? So around this level of resistance, guys, okay? And if you guys, the reason I'm looking at USDT and USDC dominance is it does not matter where total 3 is, where Bitcoin's price is. When we top for USDT and USDC coin as our stable coins, that means almost everything is topping, okay? Not everything. It can be the money that got out of BTC is going to go back to BTC again. So this is going to still go down. That doesn't necessarily mean that the money is just going to be spread into altcoins. But we know that a lot of altcoins are going to still take portion of this money, okay? So we are sitting at billions of dollars for both USDT and USDC dominance. So that is going to go back into altcoins and Bitcoin. And this is the level I am expecting to go back down to once we start topping. So we need to see USDT and USDC start crashing, same as what happened in here, that we got a lot of pumps for altcoins and Bitcoin. And the reason we are going up is because BTC is dumping. Okay, so but I am seeing a lot of resistance level around this 2.4% maximum that I'm expecting we can go for USDC dominance. And USDT dominance is the same. I mentioned in the previous bull market, we saw a lot of rejection and it started going down. So there's a good chance that we start bottoming and start going down to this level. So another 2% can get out of the USDT market cap, which currently it is sitting at $142 billion. So if you want to consider 2% out of 5 point something percent, if you just cut this in half or a little bit less than half, you can consider that 70 billion or 60 billion can get out of USDT and get into Bitcoin and altcoins. Again, same as the last bull market in 2020-21, we started seeing ups and downs for Ethereum dominance, but we started rallying eventually to go higher and higher in 2021 up to May. Then we pulled back, we started going sideways, okay, and we started the bear market. But this sign is going to be a really good sign for us. If we see the same thing for this run, again, we're going to see altcoins getting confidence and start going up. So we need to see Ethereum dominance gaining some value, gaining some percentage against Bitcoin and other altcoins. And then all other smaller altcoins are going to follow. And Ethereum BTC pair is going to look the same. As you can see, they are having a lot of similarities between Ethereum dominance and Ethereum BTC pair. So we need to see Ethereum gaining more value versus Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has done its job so far, and everything is going to bottom very soon. So as we start seeing altcoins going higher, we're going to see all these charts start rallying. I'm telling you guys again, this level of resistance I have been showing you for many months. From here, when we were all even around 53, 52%, I kept mentioning that we're gonna most likely go up and down within these two lines. Although we started going lower, but the next week we started getting back within this channel. So I even updated you guys that there's a good chance that we're gonna still go higher and go back up to 63 to 65%. So far, my target has hit around 64.3 something, but the best indicator for me is when I turn it to monthly. Still around this area, this red candle, green, and this red is the best resistance level. We are about to close this monthly candle in a couple of days. Once, does not matter where we're going to close this, because this is still looking bullish, although it is having a huge wick from top. We can still go higher, make another wick for the next month, for March, and then start going down, same as what happened in November. About it's going to be more aggressive up to May. We're going to at least see going back down around 54%. So we're going to see BTC dominant losing almost 8 to 10%. That's going to give a lot of opportunities for altcoins to grow, Ethereum and other altcoins. Okay, before I talk about support and resistance level, and there is a good chance we do not even go that much lower than $76,000, which I have showed you guys. These are support levels. But the surprise that I had for you guys, if you guys go to coinmarketcap.com, if you go to the website, go to the search bar and type Binance Alpha. This is a huge favor I'm doing for you guys, because I appreciate your support, for your likes and comments and everything. This is a really nice category. And if you go to categories, hit in here and go to categories, Binance Alpha, you will see this page. If you do not know, and most of the people do not know, and if you do not know, years ago, Binance bought coinmarketcap.com. So they are controlling this website, okay? And they are showing you a really good indicator and good chances that you guys can get into the coins that they are under radar of Binance. So these coins are being listed in here out of the regular list. They are also added in here because they are under radar of Binance. That means that they are looking at these coins to be listed if they perform well, such as ChainGPT. I think a month ago it got listed, and you guys see this huge pump that it got right when Binance listed it. And you guys can go here, you can see a lot of stuff happening right after it was added to Binance Alpha. So Binance will list these coins into their exchanges. Okay, so there is a good chance and the reason I'm saying this list can give you a lot of good confidence that you can buy almost any of these coins, small amounts of each, to make sure that any of them, if they get listed in Binance, you are gonna get at least 5, 3, 4x right away. Okay, and you can sell take your profit, or just keep holding it. It's up to you. I'm not telling you to buy any of these, but these are just a really good page for you guys, category that you guys can get into these altcoins. Especially for me, I'm picking a lot of coins from lower market caps. Lower market caps meaning they have a lot of growth opportunities. Let's say Undo is on $2.8 billion. And if any of the coins down here that are only in 10, 15 million market cap, and they have good chance of getting to that much market cap, you are gonna do 100x, 200x of your money. Do not forget this, guys. I need you guys to support as much as I am supporting you, okay? I'm trying to help you guys to make a lot of money. This opportunity for us that we have might not come back for several more years, at least 4 more years until the next cycle happens. And we're gonna have a huge, huge crash. You're gonna see me putting a lot of crash titles on my videos because I'm gonna start talking negatively about the market after this opportunity is gone. Okay, so none of these are financial advice. Do your own research. Do not do anything based on what I'm saying, but I am here to help you guys, and I'm telling you guys that we have another leg up for altcoins. So make sure you are subscribed, hit the like button, support the channel, comment down below, share this important video, and watch my other longer videos if you are new to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Peace.